What if your business could not only perform its tasks, but also learn from them, adapt to new challenges, and predict the next best move, all without human intervention? This isn't just automation. This is intelligent, end-to-end orchestration. This is hyperautomation. And by now, in 2025, it's no longer a luxury. It's the new baseline for competition. So, what is hyperautomation? Think of simple automation as a single, skilled musician playing one sheet of music. Hyperautomation is a full orchestra, conducted by an AI that can read the room, improvise, and compose a masterpiece. In this module, you will learn to identify high-value AI use cases, formulate a hyperautomation strategy, and navigate the critical ethical questions that come with building an intelligent digital workforce. Hyperautomation goes beyond basic robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA is great at mimicking repetitive human tasks. Hyperautomation orchestrates multiple tools, including AI, to automate entire complex processes. The brain of this orchestra is artificial intelligence. Let's quickly break down its core components. First, machine learning, or ML. This is how computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Think of it like a system learning to predict future sales by analyzing all your past sales data. That's machine learning, ML, in action. A powerful subset of ML is deep learning, which uses complex neural networks inspired by the human brain. It excels at finding intricate patterns, making it perfect for more complex tasks. Next is natural language processing, or NLP. This gives machines the ability to understand, interpret, and respond to human language, both written and spoken. It's the magic behind today's advanced chatbots. Finally, there's computer vision. This is how AI learns to see and interpret the visual world. It's used for everything from facial recognition to identifying defects on a factory production line. Hyperautomation strategically combines these AI capabilities with other technologies like RPA to create a seamless, intelligent workflow from start to finish. It's not about replacing single tasks anymore. It's about redesigning entire business processes to be faster, smarter, and self-improving. Strategic insight. Where can you apply this for the biggest impact? A huge use case is intelligent document processing. AI can now read, understand, and process invoices, contracts, and forms automatically. Customer service is another. AI-powered chatbots don't just answer FAQs. They analyze customer sentiment, solve complex problems, and know exactly when to escalate to a human agent. In sales and marketing, predictive analytics can forecast customer churn, identify the most promising leads, and personalize marketing campaigns at a scale humans simply cannot match. Technical challenge. Behind the scenes, these AI models are often built using powerful frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Think of these as the engine components for building custom AI brains. These AI brains then need hands to act in the digital world. This is where RPA tools like UiPath or Automation Anywhere come in, executing tasks in your software applications. The key technical challenge is integrating these parts. Getting the AI brain to effectively command the RPA hands requires careful planning and robust APIs. And the most critical requirement of all, data. High-quality, well-structured data is the fuel for any AI model. Without it, even the most advanced algorithm is useless. Garbage in, garbage out. Ensuring data quality and accessibility is the first and most important step in any hyperautomation project. Strategic insight. How do you start? You build a roadmap. Don't try to boil the ocean. Start with a high-impact, low-complexity process. Prove its value, and then scale across the organization. Change management is crucial. Frame AI as a co-pilot or digital assistant that augments human capabilities, not just a replacement. This fosters adoption and collaboration. Measuring success is key. Look beyond simple cost savings. Measure gains in speed, accuracy, employee satisfaction, and customer experience to see the full picture. Now for the essential ethical and technical challenges. First, data privacy. As you automate, you're processing vast amounts of data. Complying with regulations like GDPR is non-negotiable. Second, and critically, AI bias. If the data used to train your AI is biased, your AI will make biased decisions. This can have serious legal and reputational consequences. To combat this, we need Explainable AI, or XAI. This is the ability to understand why an AI model made a particular decision. It's the antidote to the black box problem. Explainability builds trust, helps with debugging, and is increasingly required by regulators. If you can't explain your AI's decision, you can't truly control it. Finally, the challenge of scalability. An automation that works for one department needs to be robust and secure enough to work for the entire enterprise. This requires solid architecture from day one. Let's bring it all together. Hyperautomation is the fusion of an automation toolbox like RPA with an intelligent brain powered by AI and machine learning. It's not about isolated tasks, it's about orchestrating complex end-to-end business processes. Why does this matter to you now? Because it's the engine of modern efficiency. In 2025, companies that master hyperautomation can operate faster, smarter, and with greater agility than their competitors. It's no longer about whether to adopt it, but how quickly and effectively you can scale it. Your competitive edge depends on it. Let's get practical. Leaders and decision makers, pick a department in your organization, like finance or human resources. Identify 2 or 3 processes, like invoice processing or new employee onboarding, that are ripe for hyperautomation. Estimate the potential gains in efficiency or cost savings. Engineers, technicians, and students, let's sketch an AI use case. Choose a business problem like customer churn or fraud detection. Briefly identify the type of AI you would use, like a machine learning classifier, the data you'd need, and one potential challenge, like data quality. Remember these 3 things. 1. Hyperautomation is an AI-conducted orchestra, not a solo musician. 2. It runs on high-quality data. 3. Ethical implementation and explainability are essential for trust. Ready to automate your future? Subscribe now for more insights. In the comments, tell us one business process you wish you could hyper-automate today. You've now mastered the engine of today's intelligent enterprise. But what about the next fundamental shift in computation itself? Are you prepared for a world beyond ones and zeros? Take the ultimate leap. Master Module 4, Quantum Computing Readiness, and prepare for the next paradigm of technology. Watch it next. Thanks for watching. See you next time.